Hello and welcome to Book Cogs. Today we're going to learn all about the sound the letter W makes, and that is W. Let's begin by looking at some words that begin with that sound. W is for whale. W, whale. W is for wheel. W, wheel. W is for water. W, water. W is for wig. W, wig. W is for waffle. W, waffle. W is for wings. W, wings. W is for wizard. W, wizard. W is for watch. W, watch. W is for worm. W, worm. W is for wallet. W, wallet. Practice makes perfect. So let's go through that sound one more time. W is for whale. W, whale. W is for wheel. W, wheel. W is for water. W, water. W is for wig. W, wig. W is for waffle. W, waffle. W is for wings. W, wings. W is for wizard. W, wizard. W is for watch. W, watch. W is for worm. W, worm. W is for wallet. W, wallet. If you like this video, please support our channel. It really does help. Give this video the thumbs up and subscribe for more videos like this. We also have free worksheets on our website. Visit bookhogs.com. Thanks so much for watching.